McDonald's restaurant.
The restaurant is so crowded. So many cardboard boxes here.
I finished my meal.
What a mess.
Watch out.
What the hell?
Ew.
So dirty.
Disgusting.
How do I clean this up now?
How to build the automatic cleaning machine. Build the dustbin. Add the conveyor belt. Add the main brush. Add the engine. Add the side brush. Add 2 engines and battery box. Add the wheel and more. Add the cover. How does it work? Popcorn. Success.
Let's start cleaning.
It works so well.
That's so great.
Now I don't have to do anything.
Huh?
The sauce spilled everywhere.
My bad.
This guy is so destructive.
Stop!
The brush head just makes it worse.
Upgrade the cleaning machine. Add the engine. Add the battery box. Add the wheel. And more. Absorbent mop. The brush head is replaced by a mop head. Now it can clean all kinds of liquids. Testing on leather material. Mustard. Success. Testing on wood floor. Ketchup. Success.
Can this machine clean up the ketchup?
Interesting.
The ketchup is being wiped off quickly. What an easy game. I can rest now. What else? Slime spilled everywhere.
Didn't mean it.
The machine will clean it. Oh no, it's stuck.
Eagle Avenue.
We need to hurry up. The snow is falling heavily.
Huh? Why does it not run? Emergency! We need help.
The snowplow truck's blade is engineered to move large volumes of snow to the side of the road with each pass. The snowplow can reveal unexpectedly clear roads. Whoa! The road is completely cleared. How to build a snowplow. Step 1. Build the chassis. Add the wheels. Add the engine. Step 2. Build vehicle body. Add the battery box. Step 3. Complete assembly. Add the vehicle cabin. Harmony Street. Look at these mountains of snow blocking the road. Its powerful blade lifts and pushes the snow. Even large mounds of snow are swiftly cleared. It's impressive. The snow is finally brought to the gathering point. The conveyor belts carry the snow. The snow falls into defined areas.
I'm almost done.
Thanks a lot. At an old waste treatment plant.
Everyone, we need to hurry up.
Are you okay?
We have to upgrade the process.
How to build the automatic waste treatment system. Step 1. Build the conveyors. Build the gears. The gear. Build the support structures. The conveyor. Connect to the battery. The conveyors run perfectly. Step 2. Set up. Garbage in, garbage out. Testing with Lego bricks. The machine works well.
Now we can start our work.
Glass bottles. The glass bottles are floating on the water. The glass bottles. They are being pushed up and falling into mill machine.
This system handles trash really quickly.
Cardboard boxes. They are also moving on the water. Perfect.
It's so great. Help me. Help me.
Oh no, Andy. Oh my God. I'll save you, don't worry.
Help me, please.
Okay.
Let's go clean up the trash. There's so much trash on the road. Let's clean it up.
Pizza restaurant.
My stomach hurts.
Oh no! My stomach!
I need a doctor.
Oh no! An ambulance is coming soon.
Warehouse.
All the ingredients are spoiled. You need to destroy them.
Okay, I'll do it.
How to build the shredder machine. Step 1. Build the shredder chamber. Step 2. Build the frame. Step 3. Complete assembly. Tomato. Pineapple. Mushroom. Pepperoni. American cheese. Yellow pepper. Red pepper. Laughing cow cheese. Ham. Pizza dough.
The crushed food has been converted into fertilizer. Please help me to take them away. Okay.